The world still remembers the fear of lockdowns, quarantines, and empty streets during COVID-19. And now, another deadly virus is again raising global concern: Ebola. A disease known for its high fatality rate, rapid spread through human contact, and terrifying outbreaks in parts of Africa. But how dangerous is Ebola? Can it trigger another global emergency? And could India face any impact? Ebola is a severe viral disease caused by the Ebola virus. It spreads through direct contact with infected blood, body fluids, or contaminated surfaces. Symptoms begin with fever, weakness, muscle pain, and sore throat. In severe cases, patients can suffer internal bleeding, organ failure, and shock. What makes Ebola especially feared is its high death rate. Some outbreaks have killed more than half of infected patients. The deadliest Ebola outbreak happened in West Africa between 2014 and 2016. Countries like Guinea, Liberia, and Sierra Leone saw massive health crises. More than 11,000 people died. Hospitals collapsed under pressure, international travel restrictions were imposed, and fear spread worldwide. Several countries introduced airport screenings, isolation wards, and emergency surveillance systems. Unlike COVID-19, Ebola does not spread easily through the air. It mainly spreads through close physical contact, so experts say a COVID-style global lockdown is less likely. But if outbreaks grow rapidly, governments may still impose strict containment measures, including travel restrictions, quarantine zones, school closures, and emergency health alerts. Any major outbreak can also disrupt trade, aviation, tourism, and global supply chains. India has not seen a major Ebola outbreak so far, but as international travel increases, health authorities remain alert. Passengers arriving from affected countries may face screening and monitoring at airports. Experts say India's biggest challenge would be handling panic, misinformation, and pressure on healthcare systems if even a few suspected cases emerge. Large cities with dense populations could require rapid isolation and contact tracing systems. After the COVID-19 pandemic, India strengthened disease surveillance, testing infrastructure, and emergency response systems. Health experts say awareness, quick isolation, and public cooperation remain the strongest weapons against Ebola. For now, Ebola remains largely contained to affected regions, but the outbreak is once again reminding the world how quickly infectious diseases can create fear and disruption. And in an interconnected world, no country can afford to ignore a health warning, no matter how far away it begins.